Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AIDIL and I will explain to you about how do we produce our happy birthday songs. Okay, for my part I will explain about how do I produce beats to sounds, bassline 1 sounds, bassline 2 sounds, and in addition of snare muffle or 1 preset here. I will edit in here later on. Okay, first of all, let's move on to the beats to sound. How do I produce it? Okay, here is a piano roll and we can see there is a region here. Okay, for you to select the region to produce a very unique sound from the region that we have been selected. Okay, so the preset that I have been choose is kick 04, clap 04, and hi-hat underscore close 02 preset from this particular section. Okay, for beats 2, I will select only the second row from this piano roll. Okay, to select the region, only left click, and left click. To reselect or to unselect it also, we can left click, and left click. As simple as that. Okay, so beats to sound is still simple. Okay, so let's hear how does it sounds like. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, let's move on to the bassline number 1 here. So what we can see here, I'll choose row number 1, row number 3, row number 7, row number 9, and row number 11 to produce a similar pattern. Okay, whereas I only select the kick 04 region and hi-hat close 02 region here. Okay, for the row that I have told you just now. Okay, 1, 3, 7, 9, and 11. Then we move on to the row number 5 and row number 13, whereas I selected all the region here for row number 5 and row number 13, and for row number 8 and row number 10 I only selected the clap 04 region here. Okay, so let's hear how does it sounds like. Okay, this is how does bassline 1 sounds like. Okay, let's move on to bassline number 2. Here we can see I chose row number 4, row number 6, row number 8, row number 10, and row number 12 to become the same. Okay, I selected all the region in this row. I selected the kick 04, the clap 04, and the hi-hat close 02 preset region. And for the row number 7, I only selected the clap 04 region. Okay, so let's hear how does bassline number 2 sounds like. Okay, just now I already said that I want to add on some we call that as preset to our song editor. So to add it, I will right click, select open a new instrument, track or song editor, and boom, it will present in here. Okay, so to make sure that the rhythm will be same as the default preset, I will copy the region that default preset have selected to snare muffle 01 region. Select it and just paste. Simple as that. Select it, okay, copy and paste it here. As simple as that. Okay, so the rhythm will be same as the default preset, but the sound will be the snare muffle 01.ogg preset. Okay, so let's hear how does the snare muffle sounds like.
Hi, so now we will continue our tutorial on how to make a birthday song using LMMS software. So the next step is, at the song editor, we need to click at beat or bassline icon in order to add another bassline or beat for our birthday song. So that is it. For your information, all of the features of these beats had been prepared for us. We just need to choose the bassline that are suitable for our song. So for the third bassline, we need to add a beat with name dep04.ogg. As a result, we will get this sound to be here. At the song editor part, we need to choose all of this time frame in order to fulfill the third bassline. So it should be here. As we know, all of this time frame need a process or need to undergo a try and error process in order to get the accurate time frame that need to be filled in our birthday song. Next, we need to choose or click at the beat or bassline again for the fourth bassline. So for the fourth bassline, we need to add kick04.ogg, dep04.ogg, and also hi-hat underscore close02.ogg. So it will be like this. As you can see, we need a high frequency beats to be used in this fourth bassline to get the high impact of excitement in our song. As a result, we will get this sound to be here. Enough with that. At the song editor part, we need to choose the time frame that are suitable for the fourth bassline. So it should be here and also here. Next, the theme for our birthday song is futuristic or modern birthday song. Because of that, we all decided to add something that are iconic as a symbol of futuristic. As a result, we agreed to add a sound of robot in our song as the background music. So the next step is we need to go to the My Sample icon and click for the drum scene and choose Magnet Boy and choose miss1.ds for the sound of robot. So this is the sound. So drag it into the song editor. Close this part to easy our way to make an editing. So for the miss1.ds, okay, we need to choose the time frame first in order to easy our way to make an editing. So after make a try and error process, so this is the time frame that need to be chosen. The next step is we need to make an adjustment in piano roll. Open for the piano roll. And choose this note. And make an elongation for this note until this part. And as a result, we will get the sound to be here. Enough with that. We will go to the song editor again. So this is the sound that had been edited for me from the piano roll. So from this, we just need to copy the sound and paste at the time frame that had been chosen previously. That's all for me.